Yo, it is time for Tyson's cardio and questions again. I'm actually really liking this because it gives me enough time to be able to talk to you guys, share with you some questions that you've asked while I'm getting in my cardio to pass the time. So, today's question came from, I can't actually remember who it came from, but it was about how often should you be training with weights? You know, what's the best type of thing? Is it 5 days? Is it 4 days? Is it 3 days? And you've got to realistically look at how much time you've got, because resistance training is the most important thing to focus on first, and that's what you want to prioritize. So if you've only got 3 days a week where you can train and you've got 45 minutes, I would suggest 2 of those days minimum. 3 would be optimal to do your weight training. You want to be able to do full body in that time too to get the most benefits. A lot of people will train arms on one day, chest on another day, legs on another day. And if you're only attending the gym 3 times a week to train with weights, that's not beneficial for you. Full body is going to allow you to train all of your muscles 2 to 3 times a week, which means you're going to work the body parts more, which means you're going to build more lean muscle and burn more calories overall, okay? So when you're thinking about, what am I going to do for the day? Make sure you work all of your body parts. That would mean you do things like squats, the bench press, the bent over row, overhead press, deadlifts, all those big compound full body movements. They use a lot of muscle groups that are going to get you doing what you've got to do, and then you get out. Don't muck around with the bicep curls. Don't muck around with the tricep push downs. You need to get in and get out and do the most efficient things first, which are your compound exercises. You can do 3 sets of 10. You can do 2 sets of 15. You can do 5 sets of 5. Depends how much time you've got, but always stick to the weight training as a priority first. Do full body, aim for 2 to 3 days a week. If you're doing more than 3 days a week, that's when you can look at doing things like upper body, lower body, or push, pull, or adding in a cardio day if you're trying to lose body fat. But focus on the weight training first and do full body. I hope that answers your questions, guys. And remember, make sure you aim for about 30 reps. So like I said, could be 5 sets of 5, could be 2 sets of 15, could be 3 sets of 10. Just aim for that 30 rep mark. Hope it helped.